Plant groups are your way to drill down our four main planting categories: trees, shrubs, shrub areas, and ground covers into more specific subcategories like shade trees, perennials, and more. Here's some ideas on how you can use this feature in your next design. First is how to make groups. Plant groups are defined in your planting preferences. This means all projects using this preference set will have access to the same list of groups. In the Edit Plant Groups dialog, you can add new groups, edit existing group names, or delete groups. Each category gets its own list of groups for you to refine. Need ideas on how you can group things? It's really open to your imagination and needs. You can do it based on plant type or an area in the design like buffer or street trees. When you're setting up your groups, also try putting in a layer suffix. This will create a new layer for any plants placed in this group. Once you've got your list set, you'll see it in the Plant Manager. There are two ways to assign a plant to a group. You can edit a single plant, drop down the group list, and select one here. Or in the Plant Manager, you can hold down the Shift or Control key and select multiple plants, then drop down the group list here and select a group. If you have two or more plants selected, you'll be prompted to move them to the group. Once plants are in a group, you can use the Plant Manager drop-down to change the manager view in that category to only list plants in that group. This is a great organization tool to help you show a curated list while you're placing plants in the plan. When placing plants, if you applied a layer suffix, you'll see the plant is now on that layer. Use this to help with quick selection or freezing layers and viewports on different sheets more easily. When you run a plant schedule, your plants will now sort themselves under their group name for a header instead of the regular tree, shrub, shrub area, and ground cover headers. Use plant groups to organize your plan better than you ever have before, all automatically.